Hi everyone. So today I am here. My name is Prashant and today I am going to show you how we can use Bootstrap 4 in our Angular 9 application. So for using Bootstrap 4, we need to make sure that we are referencing the proper scripts and the style sheet file in our application. So right now what I have done is I have created a simple application using the Angular CLI, that is app test, and it's running successfully right now. So let's quickly jump back to my Visual Studio Code, which I will be using to edit my application code. So right now what I will do is I will go to a new terminal and I need to install two things first. So the first thing that I would be needing to install is like a Bootstrap. So for installing Bootstrap, what I can do is I will simply say npm install. So as soon as I run this command, Bootstrap will be latest version of Bootstrap will be installed in my application. So let's wait for a few seconds. So once the Bootstrap is installed, we also need to make sure that we have got jQuery in our package so that it works parallelly with both like jQuery as well as Bootstrap. So once this has been installed, what I am going to do is I will simply say npm install jQuery save. So let me quickly show you where if my Bootstrap was installed or not. So if I go in my node modules and I quickly navigate down to this Bootstrap folder, then I can see that all the files have been successfully installed for my Bootstrap. So currently the installation for jQuery is going on. So let's wait for a few seconds. So meanwhile jQuery is being installed, what I am going to do is I am going to go in my application code and replace this particular page with uh, let me quickly remove this particular HTML. So as we can see, the HTML was successfully removed. So now what I will do is I will use the cards from Bootstrap for so that we can verify that Bootstrap was successfully installed. So let me quickly add this in my app component. Let me also provide some border for this or like container. Let me wrap it inside a container. Div class container. So if I quickly go back to my app test application, I can see that it's not properly formatted. Ideally it should be coming in this or like it should be looking like this way. So now like our jQuery and Bootstrap has been installed. So what we will need to do is we will need to move back to our angular.json file, which contains the dependencies and all the configuration related stuff within itself. So if you see over here, it has got certain five icon and all the main TS file and starting point. So this is like where we will be referencing our Bootstrap. So for referencing our Bootstrap, what we can do is we can go to the style section. So let me quickly go back to the style section. So if I go to the style section and let me quickly add over here Bootstrap. So for adding Bootstrap, what I can do is I will say that it's in my node modules folder. So my node modules folder is in that particular root, in that same directory itself. Node underscore modules. After that, let me quickly show you so what you will need to reference. So in node modules we will have Bootstrap. After that we will be having dist. After that we can go to CSS and reference our particular Bootstrap. So in my case right now I am going to reference bootstrap.css file. So let me quickly reference this bootstrap.css. Also in my script tag I need to reference two values. So first what I am going to do is node underscore modules slash bootstrap slash dist slash js. So if I see over here js is there, bootstrap.js. So this is like the bootstrap js file which we need to reference. Also we need to add node underscore modules as jQuery. So let's quickly go to jQuery in our node modules. So let me quickly install jQuery again. I believe that jQuery was not properly installed. Npm install jQuery, save. So let me quickly refresh this. I believe it was already added, but like without refreshing, I cannot see it. So I have got this jQuery module available with me. So I am simply going to say jQuery dist and jQuery.js. Right. So once I have done this, let me see if the changes took effect in my application. So since like I have made changes in my angular.json file, so what I will do is I will quickly stop my application and restart it. So once the application will be restarted, we should be able to see the changes. So this is one way in which like we can add Bootstrap 4 in our Angular 9 applications. Also, like we can use the same method for adding Bootstrap to any other application, any other Angular version application. So now the build has started for this application. So let's quickly wait for a few seconds. The build is running. Yep. So here we go. So here we can see that Bootstrap 4 was successfully added in our application. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.